Hello mga balikbayans all over the world. Ang dami niyong pumupunta sa clinic namin when you visit the Philippines and ito yung mga frequently asked questions na na-encounter namin. Una, Doc, pag nagpa-consult ba, pwede na agad magpa-procedure? The answer is yes. And if mas gusto niyo well-planned in advance, gustong-gusto niyo nang malaman, yung downtime, everything, magkano, you can book a teleconsult with us months in advance para pagkapunta nyo dito, plakado na, alam nyo na kung ano yung mga gagawin nyo. Alam nyo na magkano, alam nyo na yung down. So you can book a teleconsult with us anytime. Pangalawang common question, Doc, ano bang pinakamalapit sa airport? So ang dami kong patients na as in pagkadating nila, diretso sila sa clinic. So, I think you have two options. Pagkalabas nyo ng airport, pwede kayong mag-skyway to the north. Paglapag nyo ng Makati, malapit na yung clinic. You go south naman, paglapag nyo ng Sukat, sobrang lapit na rin yung clinic. So it's up to you. When you're staying naman sa Ortigas area or sa Mega Mall, yung Manda sobrang lapit, walking distance. So, really comes to planning kung saan kayo pinakamalapit. For more details, you can actually just DM us for the exact location. Third question, Doc, plano namin mag-beach. Paano ba namin planuhin yung mga procedures? If you wanna do yung mga protocol natin for acne scars and melasma, alam nyo naman may chemical peel, CO2 laser, yung mga protocol natin, magbabalat kayo. So I don't advise doing it before you go to the beach. You can do it after pag pauwi na kayo or pabalik na kayo. Meron naman kami mga procedures na walang downtime and pwede kayong mag-beach after. So yung mga injectables natin, Botox, Profhilo, Rejural, Juvelo. So all of those you can do even if magbe-beach kayo after. Another common questions, usually most of the procedures, alam nyo naman yan, sessions, no? So 2 sessions, 3 sessions for best result. Doc, 2 weeks lang ako. May effect pa ba yan? The answer is, of course, syempre, may effect pa rin yan. May significant improvement pa rin yan. Yun nga lang, syempre, for the best, yung kung gusto nyo talaga ma-achieve yung pinaka-peak or maximum result, yung ibang procedure namin, 3 to 5 sessions. Then, pwede nyo naman i-space apart yung sessions every time na uwi kayo. Kunwari, Doc, every 6 months ako mauwi or kahit every year lang. Then, doon lang natin gagawin. At least, unti-unti, nararating natin yung gusto nyo ma-achieve. If you're coming to visit the Philippines, gusto nyong planuhin na lahat, you can book a teleconsult with us, no? Or don't hesitate to DM us if you have any questions.